Hey fam, and welcome to another video. I'm here on the balcony of our 10th floor unit in beautiful Yokohama, Japan. We've been living in this unit for about a month now, and it's absolutely stunning to be able to come out here and see this wonderful view every day of the harbor and of the ship and the buildings, and we can actually see Mount Fuji over here in the distance, and it's absolutely stunning at night as well. So we're really enjoying it. We love the space, it's beautiful, and we are really happy to share it with you. Alright, so here's our new home. Here you see the living room and kitchen, and don't mind that picture of green stuff. That's my homemade green tea cooling. Notice that paper on the fridge? Those are the instructions for how to divide up trash for disposal. It's pretty extensive. So you can see we've decorated for Christmas. We've got the tree and also a poinsettia and mistletoe. This is our bedroom with a cute little Santa Claus. A lot of our decor came from IKEA and a Japanese home goods store called Nitori. But all of our furniture and appliances we bought secondhand. All pieces are a year less old and like new. Some people have commented on how our apartment seems small, but believe it or not, this is actually quite spacious for a Japanese apartment and is just the way we like it. That's my herb garden. I just planted it, so nothing has sprouted yet. Here's our money tree. And our red and white striped blanket I roll into a candy cane shape. There's Mount Fuji in the distance. And the rest of our beautiful view. Here we have our entryway closet and bathroom. We have our washer and no dryer because there's a drying option in the shower, so we hang clothes to dry in there. And here's how it all looks at night. Pretty cozy, huh? You'll notice the tree is in a different place and there are no curtains, and that's because I filmed on different days. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas!